Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you want to learn quality driving, I will invite you to join my channel. You can learn how you can drive perfectly, how is the quality driving, also what are the safe driving, everything I will teach you. Okay, let's move on our first video. You can see my car, this front wheel. It's not a straight with car, it is turned, it's bent. How we know how much our steering wheel turn? If we look this wheel, how can we understand? If we look this our steering wheel, how can we understand how much it turn, how many turn it turn, also how many turn our steering wheel turn maximum, left right maximum, how many turn can it turn, in the right side right turn, how many right turn. Also if once we park the car, how we can understand our steering wheel, by looking our steering wheel, our front wheels are straight with the car or it's bent. This is the very important thing for as a driver, you should know this one. Also if you are driving in the narrow place or if you are driving near to the any parked car, you should understand whether your car is going straight or your car going bend, or you have to understand. Okay, let's move on this video. I will teach you how to understand how much our steering wheel turned, how much our wheels are turned, how we can take them to the straight position. Let's move on inside, I will teach you. Now you can see my front wheels are turned like this. How can we understand how many turn is turned? Now I will bring them to again straight. Now this is straight position. Our steering wheel is straight. It's not turned either left or right. It's straight perfectly. Let's see how many turn it's turning fully left counterclockwise. Okay. Now this is one turn. Then another half, that means 1.5, fully 1.5 turn it's turning. Okay, let me take back again this half turn, then another full turn. Now it is again straight. Let's turn to right turn. Now one fully turn, then another half. This is maximum now. Little more than half. Let's see, it's 1.5. Clockwise 1.5 turn, again counterclockwise 1.5 turn. Let's bring back to straight. Now it is straight position. Always you have to take care while driving in the straight road. We have to keep our steering wheel straight position. If you turn like this, that means one turn. Okay. Now let's bring to straight. Now it is straight. Okay. Now my steering wheel is straight. Now let's see, while I am going little front, how its car is moving. You have to make sure in the steering wheel, this part like this, steering wheel is like this. In this is the identification for the straight position. You can see by using this you can understand. Now steering wheel is straight. Now let's see, while I am going little front, how its car is moving. Can you see, car is moving like this. Let me turn steering wheel 1/2. Okay, now I turn it 1/2. Let's see how it's moving. Look how now car is moving. Let me turn fully. Now steering wheel fully left turn. Look how car is moving. Let me bring again to straight. Now I will make it straight. See, my car is how moving. Okay. Now let me turn one turn, full one turn. Okay. Okay. Now let me turn other half. Now in the right turn, full one right turn. Okay. Now let me make again straight. See now how car is going, now straight going, because my steering wheel is straight. You can see now steering wheel is straight, my car is moving straight. Now if I turn one turn left, it will drive like this. See, for example, if you turn while driving, if you turn 1/2 like this, once you finish taking your bend, you must bring back again straight position while you are entering, after you are entering to the main road. I mean straight road, otherwise your car is turning always. You have to make sure you have to be again straight. Now let me turn. Now since I am going this way, I will turn like this. Now I turn like this, then my car is going like this. Now once I finish complete turning, now I have to bring back my car steering wheel straight position. Now it's straight. Now car is moving straight. Okay, like this. You have to make sure while you are driving the car, while you are parking the car, you have to make sure steering wheel should be straight. For example, if you park the car, steering wheel half turn, I mean 1 turn already turn. See, after maybe sometime you are giving your car to someone else to drive. He don't know, he's come to the car and he start car and try to go, but he don't know car is already half turn, wheels are half turn. He directly he's try to accelerate. See what happened, car is going like this. We don't know some any rock or something here, what it happen, his car will hit to that. Make sure before you start driving, your car steering wheel should be straight. If you want to drive straight, if you want to drive left, you have to turn steering whatever the you required amount like this. Okay, I hope this will be enough for today. You joined it my channel. I will next video I will explain you while driving in the road how we have to turn the steering wheel according to the road condition, how many turns you have to turn. After turning, how should you bring back car again to the normal position. Also while driving straight, while taking bend, while taking U-turn, how your car steering wheel you have to maintain, you have to turn. Please subscribe my channel. I will make more and more video for you to become a perfect driver. How to become a perfect driver, how to become a quality driver, you will understand. See you again.